If we needed to get a quote out towards one of our dealers, it was quite time consuming, and of course you would like to help out as quick as you can. My name is Maarten Veerbeek. I'm Global Head of Marketing and Business Development. Lubecore manufactures automated lubrication systems, and besides that we are setting up a worldwide dealer network, so we are close to the end users of our product.
The question for my Lubecore came for the first time from a French OE customer. So he saw the product, he said, it looks nice, but if I'm gonna make money, but then losing time with processes, I'm not interested.
3.5 years ago, I challenged Triggre a little bit and asked them if it was possible to come up with some kind of platform. And they took the challenge, and within 48 hours, the first steps of my Lubecore were born. At the beginning, we just had a handful of dealers, and mainly because of the fact that making quotes for them is really time consuming. And right now, it is really easy to attach a new customer to my Lubecore, and they can be attached within an hour and quote themselves.
I think the dealers, they're also getting acquainted to it. So not only it's an ordering system, but it's also a source of information to them. And the fact that it's evolving, it motivates them to use it and to give feedback on how to improve it.
Even nowadays, we're still adding new things to the system. We want to make sure that we are easy to do business with. I would recommend other people to work with Triggre. For sure that I will tell that it's easy to do business with you guys, and that it's a nice team to work with.